Target ng Department of National Defense at Philippine-US Forces na magsagawa ng full-scale battle simulation sa 2025 bilateral exercises. Ito ang sinabi ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro Jr. sa closing ceremony ng balikatan exercises sa Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City ngayong Biyernes. Sa pamamagitan nito, mas malawak ang magiging coverage at mas marami ang makikilahok habang isasagawa ang makatotohanang bakbakan ng mga sundalo. Ayon naman sa EFP, magiging mas demanding at elevated raw ang pagsasanay sa susunod na balikatan. Yan ay para subukin ang kahandaan at kapasidad ng Pilipinas at Amerika anuman ang mangyari sa hinaharap.
Next year and the continuation of this year will be a busy one for all of us. And we look forward to this because exercises such as this, where at least on the Philippine side, we go out of our normal comfort zone and try to focus on actual soldiering, which is what an armed forces needs to be.
The full battlefield test would mean a more demanding exercise. The challenges as the exercise will be more elevated. It would require a better force integration